What's up, y'all? Just got a few goodies in the mail these past couple of days. Still waiting to take delivery on or Model Y. Hopefully this will happen in the next few days or so. Just wanted to kind of share what we received so far. We got these center caps for the wheels when you do not have the hubcaps on. Basically, these will go in the center of the wheel to get rid of that hole. So we got those, as well as we got a package from Abstract Ocean. Seen a few videos on this vendor and they've been pretty good in regards to making parts for the Model Y. And these are actually the tools that you would need to put on these mud flaps. So there should be 4 in here, total of 4, front and back, screws, the other one, and the other one here. And then since the Model Y long range doesn't come with the silverish finish pedals, I've got a set of those as well. I haven't checked the quality yet as of yet, but they look pretty good. As you can see, you get the brake as well as the accelerator. It's not a gas pedal because it's electric. Alright, hopefully we'll have an update on our vehicle within the next few days, and we'll take delivery and then we'll kind of go from there. Alright guys, just wanted to share what we currently received. Peace.